In this video, I'm going to show you how to get more FPS in Krunker. Now go to your settings and then go to display. You'll see here the resolution and the low spec. If you're using a low spec kind of computer, you can just turn it on and then adjust the resolution of your game. And also you can turn off the shadows for more FPS. And then to check the FPS of your game, you can just turn it on by scrolling down, and you'll see there the um, buttons for show FPS. Now turn it on, and once you're done, just simply save the settings and you're ready to go to play Krunker. You can see your FPS on the upper left corner, and that's it. And that's how you get more FPS in Conquer. I hope it helps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.